AMD software or Intel graphics software. Check for the latest graphics driver. Download and install the recommended driver. Restart your PC after installation. Launch Space Marine 2 and test the game. Number 2, verify game files. Open Steam Library. Right-click Space Marine 2 Properties. Select Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Restart Steam after the process finishes. Number 3, update Windows. Open Windows Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Install all available updates. Restart your computer. Number 4, disable overlays. Disable the Steam overlay for Space Marine 2. Turn off the Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA or AMD in-game overlays. Temporarily turn off Xbox Game Bar. Restart the game and check for the error. Number 5, run the game as administrator. Open the Space Marine 2 installation folder. Find the game's executable file. Right-click the executable. Select Properties Compatibility. Enable Run this program as administrator. 6, repair Visual C++ redistributables. Open Windows Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Select the latest x64 version. Choose Modify, Repair. Restart your PC afterward. 7, check DirectX components. Press Windows R, type dxdiag and press Enter. Check your DirectX version and display information. Make sure Windows and your GPU driver are fully updated. Restart the game after completing the updates. Number 8, lower graphics settings. Launch Space Marine 2 if you can reach the menu. Open Settings, Graphics. Lower the graphics preset. Reduce demanding options such as shadows and effects. Apply the settings and restart the game. And 9, close background programs. Close unnecessary applications before starting the game. Temporarily close recording and streaming software. Close RGB and hardware monitoring utilities. Disable other programs that use GPU resources. Launch Space Marine 2 again. Number 10, reinstall the game. Uninstall Space Marine 2 if the error continues. Restart your computer. Install the latest version from Steam. Make sure the installation drive has sufficient free space. Launch the game after installation completes.